Have you ever seen a major Windows update that's only 174 kilobytes? Well, that's exactly what Microsoft is doing with Windows 11 26H2. Normally, a Windows feature update is several gigabytes in size. For example, upgrading from Windows 11 23H2 to 24H2 required downloading almost 6.5 gigabytes. But Windows 11 26H2 is completely different. So, how is Microsoft making a major update that's only 174 kilobytes? Here's the answer. Microsoft has changed how Windows updates work. Windows 11 24H2, 25H2, and 26H2 all use the same core operating system. Every month, when your computer installs Windows updates, Microsoft quietly installs parts of future features in the background. Those features stay hidden and disabled. When Windows 11 26H2 is officially released, Microsoft only needs to send a tiny 174 kilobytes enablement package. This small update simply turns those hidden features on. After one restart, your PC is running Windows 11 26H2. It's fast, simple, and much smaller than traditional feature updates. But there's one important thing to know. If your computer is still running Windows 11 23H2, you won't get the tiny update. Instead, you'll need to download the full 6.5 gigabytes update. That's because Windows 11 23H2 uses an older code base. The hidden Windows 11 26H2 features aren't already on your computer. Microsoft has confirmed that Windows 11 26H2 will arrive in fall 2026. If you're already using Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2, the update should take only a few minutes, and require just one restart. This new update system means smaller downloads, faster installations, and fewer compatibility problems. It's one of the smartest improvements Microsoft has made to Windows Update in years. What do you think about this new update system? Would you rather download a tiny 174 kilobytes update, or a full 6.5 gigabytes Windows upgrade? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for the latest Windows 11 updates, AI tools, and tech news. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.